Hey, it's Justin KANOYA, DJ, business coach, and idea sharer. And in this video, I'm going to be discussing 3 sources that provide great music video content for DJs. And stick around until the end because I'll be revealing a hack on how you can spend $12 a month with one of these sources and have access to nearly 30 music videos every month. I'm not sure what it is, but I feel like every other day, a DJ is asking where to find a music pool that provides music videos. And the thing is, videos are just fun to play. I don't do them that often, but when I do, I just have a blast. And I mean, let's be honest, if given the choice between playing the audio version of Eric Prydz's Call on Me versus the video version, well, I mean, you get what I'm saying. I'm going to be talking about 3 different options. One is a very popular one, I just don't personally use it. A second one is one that I used to use. And finally, the third option is the current video pool that I use. So let's get started by looking at option 1, Extendamix. According to their website, Extendamix is a fully licensed music pool that provides mixable music videos. Their catalog includes the most up-to-date hits, as well as an extensive back catalog of music dating back to the 40s. It claims to have 450,000 videos in their catalog, and that's just crazy. Their membership structure can be a bit confusing, but essentially the base price is $35 for 1 month. This grants you 40 credits. Credits are essentially video download credits, but what's different about them is with a single credit, you can download multiple versions of a track. Extendamix has as many as 5 versions of each file. There's a clean single, extended single, dirty single, extended dirty, and remix. Of course, some songs may only have 1 version and others may have all 5. But regardless of how many versions you download, you are charged just 1 credit. Now, of course, the price per credit goes down if you sign up for longer memberships, and you can also purchase more credits to use within a month. If you wanted to just go ham with 300 credits for $85, that's around 28 cents per credit, and you could spend 30 days just grabbing 300 videos for you to use. Up next is SelectMix. SelectMix is a pool that I have been a member of for 11 years. It's primarily an audio pool, but for a while it was releasing videos under its Video Essentials and Video Essentials Classics series. It does appear they've discontinued the series, as the last release was in 2017. But you can still purchase all of the issues in both of those series, and if you did that, you'd have a total of 29 volumes of video. And honestly, if you're needing a good collection of 70s, 80s, and 90s videos, the Essentials Classics series has some really good stuff. Now, Video Essentials Classics, as the name implies, is going to give you some really great music from the past 4 or 5 decades. And Video Essentials was really SelectMix's catalog of current music videos. Now, of course, that was current only at the time that they were releasing it, which again was like the mid-2010s. So my feeling is you're going to find music videos from like 2014 to 2017. At the time of this recording, SelectMix video content is available for $13 per release. And lastly, the place I get the majority of my videos from, it's a pool you've heard me talk about before, PromoOnly. With PromoOnly, you have subscription-based options as well as the ability to purchase one-off releases in its Video Classics series. There's also that free-ish option that I'm going to talk about at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned. But let's start with the Video Classics series. In this series, there are 24 different categories of videos. These essentially break down into different decades and genres. And then within these categories are a crazy number of releases. For instance, let's take a look at Best of 90s. In it, there are 2 volumes of releases for each year for a total of 20 releases. And within each one of those releases, you'll find as many as 40 tracks. And best of all, these releases are just $25. You don't even need to be a PromoOnly subscriber to purchase these. Just head to their website and download directly from there. And by the way, if you're not on the PromoOnly email list, I would recommend getting on it because there are sales throughout the year where these releases are priced as low as $15. So get on the list and you'll get emailed anytime they've got a sale. And even if you're not particularly looking for music videos, the Video Classics series is a great way to build a collection of back catalog music. And since most DJ software will still play music videos as audio, this is a perfect solution. Now, when it comes to current music available via a subscription, there are 10 different releases available. The two most comprehensive ones are Express Video and Hits HD. Each feature music content that spans all genres, including dance, country, top 40, Latin, and more. These, however, are only available in a packaged monthly subscription, which I'm going to get to in a moment. Similar to PromoOnly's audio options, there are 8 video options that are more genre specific. These genres include club, hot, urban, country, dance mix, modern rock, Latin, and alternative. All 8 of those are available for individual subscriptions of $25 per month or $300 per year. And as I just mentioned, there are subscription packages available, and these are under Pool Video Silver and Pool Video Gold. Both of these packages include Express Video and Hits HD. Express Video is a weekly release of that week's current hits from all genres. You'll find both official videos as well as lyric videos. Hits HD is a daily release of the most current song releases. It also has songs from various genres and will also have mixable intro edit versions. In addition to those 2 series, Pool Video Silver, priced at $50 per month or $500 per year, grants monthly access to one of the 8 genre-specific releases that I listed earlier. So you can just choose whatever one you want. And this works out nicely because you'd have access to current hit songs across all genres with Express and Hits, but you can then supplement it with another release that provide more thorough content of your own choosing. So for example, let's say you work a bar that's open format but has a weekly hip hop night. So Express and Hits Video would take care of you on all of those other, non-hip hop nights, because you'd be able to play top 40 and dance and alternative, modern rock, whatever. But then on the nights that it's the hip hop nights, you could just have that supplement of urban video, which is just going to give you a whole much more deeper urban video content and ensure you had exactly what you needed for those theme nights. Now the second subscription option is Pool Video Gold. That is priced at $75 per month or $825 yearly. This, as you probably could guess, includes all 8 of the genre-specific releases as well as Express and Hits. So that is 10 video releases available each month, which I imagine is like 200 to 300 videos, and man, that's a lot of MTV. All right, I promised you some bonus content about how to obtain some free video content, and here it is. Now, a little caveat, asterisk, whatever you want to call it, this is free-ish content, and it's free as long as you're a subscriber on some level to PromoOnly Pool. So as a subscriber, you'll use the PromoOnly Pool app to download content you have access to. And within Pool, there is video content that can be found in the Charts tab and under Nick's Picks and Video Top 20. Nick's Picks is a collection of 10 hand-picked videos by PromoOnly's Director of Marketing, Nick Hahn. These 10 videos are available at the beginning of each month. And at the end of the month, those 10 are gone and a new set of 10 videos shows up the following month. Video Top 20 is exactly as it sounds, a current list of the top music videos. Now understand this is a revolving chart, so you're not necessarily seeing a new list of 20 each month. But with 10 of Nick's Picks and 20 videos from this chart, an audio subscriber spending just $12 per month not only has access to the monthly audio tracks that they pay for, but they've got access to up to 30 free videos per month. And I think this is just a great option to build a video library at a pretty minimal cost. Well, that's a look at 3 video pool options. Let me know if you use any of these and how your experience is with them. If you liked this video or found it helpful, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel for more tips and reviews just like this. Thank you for watching. I'm DJ Justin KANOYA, and I'll see you next time online.